What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. I woke up this morning real quick. It's Monday, the 17th of November, 2025. It is 6 o'clock on the dot here in the great state of New York. 25 minutes ago, the thermostat here was reading 52. I turned the heat on, the Modine, 100,000 BTU gas heater by the sponsor of the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy HVAC training facility. Thermostat on the Honeywell says 54. Not too shabby. I have a very special day today. A very, very special day today. Fun. We have a residential client that really wants to see me. He's in upstate New York, about a 2-hour drive north, so with no traffic. So we're going to be leaving here, Derek and I, in about 45 minutes. I told Derek to show up around 6:45, as long as it's not raining and the forecast looks good. And if you don't hear from me, be here at 6:45. I got the Porsche, because he wants the Porsche on the service call. I got the Porsche. We're going to leave the top up because it's a brick. It's a brick 37 degrees out. And we're going to take the tool bag. We're going to take the Testo. We're going to take a 5-gallon bucket. We're going to take a few rags. We're going to take the WD-40. And we're going to head to upstate New York at 6:45. We should be there right before 9 o'clock, traffic permitting. I'm very excited. We're just going to do a tune-up on I think a Utica gas boiler. He really wants me there. So we're going. He's paying a premium. You can imagine. If my trip charge is $89 and it's in a local 5-mile radius, you can just imagine if I charge $345 to go to the Bronx, you can only imagine. But this is another property that he had. We do service this client. This is another property that he owns. And not only did he specifically request me, but he goes, Mikey Pipes, you must bring the Porsche. He's like, don't even bother coming if you're not bringing it. All right. And then on the way back, we're stopping in not Whitestone. We're stopping in Glen Oaks, Little Neck, Queens. We have a customer, also a existing residential client. This is the second property for him as well. I think it's a parent's house or something. A furnace that's just was installed wrong, and he needs my help. Now, before I grab my coffee, I got to ask you guys a question. You know, the immediate family, or actually, should I say the siblings of the family, we, I don't know, I guess we do this thing, Secret Santa. Even though we're all fucking Jewish, but yeah, okay. And I got someone that I had to give a gift for the Secret Santa thing. Now, it was so funny. I was cleaning out a property yesterday. Some tenants moved out, and just a little bit of junk. And I see this like a little gift booklet for this year. It came in the mail. It's still in the mailbox, actually. And from Heifer International. I'm like, what is this Heifer International, right? And apparently it's a nonprofit organization where they help, I don't know. They work in Uganda, in Africa, and with sustainable, like, I don't know. They like deal with global hunger and food insecurity, things like that. So I'm looking at this thing, and you could sponsor. Let me show you. You could sponsor, or not sponsor, you buy like a goat. Let me show you. You can get a goat. A goat will be the key to the family's survival. Goat's milk can be used to make cheese and butter or sold for income. Right? You can get a heifer for $500. You could also give a gift of $50 or more. A flock of chickens for $20. A sheep, one sheep, $120. Honeybees, $30. Like a whole bunch of stuff. So, and you buy two, give two. Buy one, give two. That's very nice. So for my Secret Santa, I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna spend, the limit of like $50 or $75. You know what? I am gonna buy a goat in this person's honor, and also a flock of chicks. And that's what I did. And then I got one of these holiday cards, right? That you could print. I printed on on my color printer. And then I include one of these add-on things that, I gave you not an alpaca, I gave you a goat and some chickens. Now, I was asking my wife, and she's like, that's fucked up. I can't give a virtual gift to someone. It's got to be a tangible item. She tells me. Hogwash! Really? Do you think so, folks? For a Secret Santa. Now, I know everyone's philanthropic and giving, I guess, agenda is different. I may give out more or less than some of you, right? But I think it's a pretty nice gesture where I bought a goat and a flock of chicks in honor of someone else's name, in honor of someone, to this organization to help others. I think that's pretty fucking cool. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me get your thoughts and feedback in the comment section down below. Was I wrong for printing a card and putting those little things there? I also gave the person the little thing, and when we have our Secret Santa party, I'm gonna give this person an envelope, which is gonna be a red envelope. I have red envelopes here, yep. I'm gonna put it in there, and I'm gonna give it to this person. Do you think that's wrong that I actually should be giving a gift? Like, I don't know, should I give him like a can of should I give them a can of WD-40 because the doors in the house squeak? Or if he's a plumber, should I get a can of pipe dope? I don't know. Or preventatively, if they have an air conditioning system, give them a thing of Easy Seal because, eventually their system's going to leak. Let me get your thoughts and feedback in the comment section down below, folks. That's my Monday. Thanks for watching. Cheers.